if you're new, welcome. I'm Kristen. Tonight, I'm going to show you how to make this grilled chicken, baked beans, and potato. Even if you don't cook your baked potato on the grill and you do it in the oven or the air fryer, the process is still going to be the same. So I put mine down into a bowl and put some oil on it and coat it on there real good so that, for one, the dry seasoning can stick to it, and for two, because you don't want your potato to dry out. I hit mine with a little sea salt and a little all-purpose seasoning. Give them a good little toss around, and then you're going to want to hit them with a fork. Now, don't skip this part because you don't want your potato to go blowing up and making a big old mess. So go on and hit it with a fork a few times and then wrap it up in the tinfoil. I use the Lawry's garlic and herb marinade for the chicken. It only takes 30 minutes to let them bad boys sit and get a little juicy. If you stab them just a few times with a fork, it's going to help to get that flavor down in the chicken a little bit faster. I tossed on a little Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce on my chicken, and then that bad boy was done. To dress my baked potato, I cut it open, put a little butter in it, and hit it with a little bit of black pepper. I put a little shredded cheese in it and then wrapped it up back into the tinfoil so that the cheese could melt, and then topped it off with some green onion. I used a can of Bush's baked beans, and I just warmed them bad boys up in the microwave. This was an easy, simple dinner night. I like to take the green onion and toss a little over onto the chicken as well because it paired with that barbecue sauce. It is so good. If you haven't already, head over to my Patreon. The link is down in the description. Get your download, grab your groceries, and come back tomorrow because we're going to be making a yummy taco salad. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.